Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. My name is Nancy and I am one half of Stamping Before Anything Else. We are going to be making this fun card here. I'm always in need of some sympathy cards or just a card that's letting someone know that they're on my mind and I'm thinking of them. So this card is used, we're using the So Sincere stamp set for You're in My Heart and Prayers. We're going to be using this little leaf stamp right here from Timeless Arrangements. And we're also going to be using the Raindrops embossing folder for the base of the card. Now this is a fun card, a fun fold card. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it opens up like that. It's just a quick card that you can make. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So I got all my supplies here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my stamping first. So I'm going to grab my white, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a good burnish, our piece of basic white cardstock. Now don't worry about all the measurements. We're going to have a link below showing you where to go for all the measurements and all that kind of fun stuff. We're going to bring in our Pebbled Path ink, and I'm going to bring in my fern or leaf, and also my sentiment where it says You're in My Heart and My Prayers. We're going to go ahead and get this open. I'm going to stamp this one first on my little piece here. Okay, perfect. Put that off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and take my leaves and, I need to open this up first. We're going to put this on the inside down on the bottom left. Okay, perfect. Now, as you can see, I didn't have any scrap paper underneath, but we're going to come in with our gray chamois. That's a little damp, and I'm just going to wipe this up. Easy cleanup. Now, a way that you can get this glass mat, it's new, is with our joining special. It's a $60 value. You get it for free. If you have any questions and want to know more about it, please let us know. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our dies and do the die cutting for the sentiment and the mat, and it comes from the Nested Essentials. We're going to take the small one for the white, and then the next one up for the pool party. So what we're going to do actually with this card, same side, but we're going to flip it over and we're actually going to use this side of the paper, which is really kind of cool. Let me show you some other patterns on the back. So you could also use the top part as well, but the part that I have right here, we're just going to go with it. And I'm going to glue on my Designer Series paper. I'm going to take my white piece and I'm going to open it up to make sure that this is on the bottom. I'm going to close it, and then this is going to adhere on top of this directly, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to put glue on this top part. Now we're going to take and adhere this whole thing onto the front of our base. You're only going to put glue on the white part, not on the mat. And I like to open it up and just run my hands over the top of this because it is embossed underneath. I want to make sure that this is adhered on really good. Okay, so we have that. Now we're going to go ahead and glue our sentiment onto the mat. We're going to get some dimensionals out, and then we're just going to flip this over, and we're going to put probably 4 from halfway point over to the left side. All right, and then I'm going to hang this just slightly off on the side here. And then before we're going to bring in some of this Pebbled Path textured ribbon. It's our in color, and then I'm just going to make a knot. And then what I like to do is I like to come in with a lighter. Now you got to be very careful and get close to where you singe the edges of the ribbon because this ribbon will fray. So be very careful that you don't set this on fire. I'm gonna bring in a glue dot. So there we have it, you guys. Using a designer series paper on the front and back of the paper. I also have 2 other designs that I can show you using some more of the celebration paper. This is front and back side of each other. Thought this worked really well. The embossing folder that we used on this one is the Time Worn Type 3D. So I really hope that you liked this video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. And then also, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, you're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find all the links below in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.